upbeat background music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the steaming world of floor cleaning. That's right, we're comparing two steam mops that promise to make your floors shine like a diamond in a goat's behind. On my left, we have the REECOO Steam Mop, priced at a wallet-friendly $69. And on my right, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop, coming in at a slightly more expensive $74. Are these mops worth their weight in steam? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about price. The REECOO is like that friend who always brings snacks to the party and never asks for anything in return. At $69, it's a steal. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil is like that friend who insists on splitting the bill for that one overpriced drink. $74? Really? What are you adding to the mix, my friend? Gold flakes? Amazon reviewers agree, with many stating that REECOO offers great value for its price, while some Dirt Devil users felt it was a bit too pricey for what it delivers. Now the REECOO heats up and releases steam in just 15 seconds. That's faster than I can find my keys when I'm running late. But wait, the Dirt Devil takes a leisurely 30 seconds. I mean, come on. I could brew a cup of coffee in that time. By the time it's ready, I might as well have mopped the floor with my tears over how long it took. Reviewers of the REECOO rave about its quick heat-up time, while Dirt Devil users appreciate its performance once it finally gets going, but they wish it were faster. Let's talk cleaning power. The REECOO comes in hot with 1,200 watts of steam-fighting fury. It can tackle stubborn stains like it's training for a cleaning championship. On the flip side, the Dirt Devil claims to deep clean with just heat and water. But listen, folks, if I wanted to clean with just heat and water, I'd just throw my dirty laundry into the ocean, right? Reviewers highlight the REECOO's powerful steam efficiency, while Dirt Devil users mention its effectiveness on sealed, hard floors, but some felt it lacked the deep cleaning power they expected. Now, the REECOO isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a 10-in-1 steam cleaner. It can clean floors, sofas, windows, and even your dinner plate if you're feeling adventurous. The Dirt Devil, on the other hand, is like that one friend who can only do one dance move. It does have a 180-degree swivel head, which is great for hard-to-reach places. But if I wanted to reach for a snack, I'd just lean over the couch. Users of the REECOO appreciate its versatility, while Dirt Devil fans enjoy its maneuverability but desire more features. The REECOO has a 280 milliliters water tank, giving you about 20 minutes of cleaning time. That's enough to mop your entire house or contemplate your life choices while staring at the floor. The Dirt Devil, it's all about quick cleaning, but how much time do you really save if you have to refill the water tank every 5 minutes? It's like trying to drink a smoothie through a straw with a hole in it. Frustrating. Reviewers note that, while the REECOO offers decent cleaning time, some Dirt Devil users find the tank capacity lacking, causing interruptions during cleaning. So there you have it, folks. The REECOO Steam Mop is the clear winner here, with its speedy heating, versatile cleaning capabilities, and a price that won't make you cry. While the Dirt Devil has its merits, it falls short in comparison. Many users appreciate both products, but the REECOO seems to steal the spotlight with its overall performance. If you want a steam mop that actually works for you, go with the REECOO. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Until next time, keep buying smart and mopping like a pro. Background music fades out, screen displays product links and channel logo.